We're in Louisville, Colorado. We're very close to the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. The house that we built here, we call it the Living in Place Institute Idea Home. The Living in Place Institute, what it's all about is to be able to teach people how homes should be designed from the standpoint of accessibility, safety, health, functionality, and beauty. All together makes it a connected home for people. The whole home has been designed around the challenges that many people have on a day-to-day basis in their homes. Passageways in this house are all 42 inches or wider. It makes it very easy for somebody who's in a walker or wheelchair to be able to get in and out of this house very easily. Sinks that allow you to roll right underneath it, a zero clearance shower upstairs, a roll-in shower chair can easily get in there.
Just the ability to start off in this home and live in this home for as long as you can.
That's pretty important for people as their bodies start to wear out and things get harder to do.
Louie actually came to us and said, I really want to do LG in this house.
Picking LG as the product, knowing that it's going to be quiet, it's going to be energy efficient.
Louie took the lead and told us exactly what he wanted, and so we then designed, installed, and got everything up and running for him. The LG multi-VS outdoor unit was chosen so that it could have a variable capacity setup with multiple units in the home.
We have 3 multi-position air handling units, 1 for each floor. We have 3 zones in the house: basement, first floor, second floor. Each have their own thermostats.
One of the biggest problems in Colorado with our solar gain is cooling a second floor on a house. On the LG heat pump system, it has the ability to add a third refrigerant pipe and make it a VRF system.
One of my favorite areas of the house is the wine room downstairs. We have a heat pump water heater from LG.
The brilliant idea that Louie came up with was, instead of exhausting cold air outside that the heat pump creates, heating the water, it was piped into the wine cellar.
And it basically is keeping our wine cool for free.
Which is a pretty optimal setup for wine storage. So that's a pretty cool feature.
Here in Colorado, we have a huge temperature range that we have to bounce between.
We range from a high temperature of 105 down to a low temperature of -25.
That's a huge temperature swing to try to have a single piece of equipment try to operate within, and the LG product does that without any issues.
The LG multi-positional air handler units, it made it easier versus the gas furnaces from old to place these in locations where we didn't have to use combustion airs, we didn't have to vent, we didn't have to run gas.
It's ease and the adaptability of the units themselves that make it so easy to work with.
It's easily programmed through an app called ThinQ, which you can change the programming anytime you want.
We're really thrilled to have a variety of LG signature kitchen suite appliances in our home. The column refrigerator, wine refrigerator, and freezer, dishwasher, the double oven, along with the induction cooktop. In the laundry, we have an LG washer and dryer. The ThinQ app from LG basically pulls everything that's LG into that one app to be able to see what's going on with each of my various devices that we have. I get notified when my dishwasher is done. I get notified when the washer or dryer are done. If someone is having to go back and forth over and over again to see something, it may take me a while to get there, especially if I'm like in a walker or wheelchair. Here I have all that information at my easy access to be able to see what's going on, change it, program it, whatever. It's wonderful having just one app for so many different devices.
LG fit the situation of this house perfectly with the high efficiency of the heat pump, the efficiency of the air handlers, and just the overall design and coordination of those components working together.
The heat pump is amazing because it's just really, really quiet. You really can't hear it. It's just absolutely fantastic as to the operation of it.
It's just a product that has been a great fit for us.
Really good quality, some outstanding features, and ease of use. Those things came to mind when I wanted to be able to design this home. LG across the board, they're without peer. They're wonderful products all across the line. To me, it makes a lot of sense to be able to have something as efficient as heat pump for HVAC and a heat pump for hot water. LG really comes out top. They are really a great manufacturer. They stand behind their product, very well designed and easy to use, easy to clean too. The features that LG has across the board really are top flight.